might be wondering what apartments in Dubai look like, how much people pay, commodities, facilities. Today I'm gonna solve those doubts. Stick around and I will help you solve them by telling you my experience here in Dubai. Today we are in a very special location, my apartment in Dubai. Let's go! So you enter to the house. To be honest, we never lock the door. We have this little table, of course, showing things from Buenos Aires and Argentina, the mate, of course. We have our Lego because I live with my boyfriend and we are very fan of Legos. Then you can find the kitchen. So it's not the biggest kitchen, but we have everything we need. So here we have the salon, we have our books there and photos, guitars because my boyfriend plays the guitar, the TV, that is quite big, and the couch. We bought a big couch because we wanted to have as many guests as we wanted. It's really nice. We bought this couch in home center and it's very comfortable. You can sleep here for many hours. Also, we have this table where you can eat while you're watching a movie. Here comes the best part of the house, the terrace. We have a very good water view. As you can see, it's the best part of the house. That's the pool of our building that I'm gonna show you now. I love being in the terrace, having a mate, reading a book. So this is a 4th floor and this is our view. So let's continue. Here we have our secret room that I don't want to show you, but I have to. It's where this needs an order, but here we have our washing machine and cleaning products. Maybe it's better if I close it. So, here we have the guest washroom with a shower and the guest room. We have 2 bedrooms. Here is where my boyfriend works. And it also has a really nice view. Also, this is the best desk that you ever find. It's from home center and it goes up and down. It's amazing. Now let's go to the main bedroom. We have a big bed, the TV, a mirror. And we also have the view. I love to wake up and have this amazing view and to see the water, the weather, the pool. I really love it. And here you can enjoy the view. So this is our closet. My clothes and my shoes. And this is our bathroom. It has a bathtub and 2 sinks. And this is what I love about the bathroom. All my makeup and products. So we live in Dubai Creek Harbour, that is a quite new resident area here in Dubai. I live with my boyfriend in a 2-bedroom apartment and we pay $3,600 per month. So for a 2-bedroom apartment here in Dubai, you can pay less or more, depends on the area you're living. But we want to have this beautiful water view and we want to live in a quiet area. And Dubai Creek Harbour is very quiet, resident with shops, cafes, and we love here. So here in Dubai Creek Harbour, it depends on the view that you have. You can be facing the water or you can be facing the park. But you're not going to pay less than $3,000 per month. So we love our apartment, but the thing is we are not very happy with the light because we don't have sunlight. Never. But in this building, if you want to have sunlight, you have to be facing the park. And as we want to have a water view, we prefer this. Let me show you the commodities of the building. Buildings here are very new. This building, it only has 3 months old. You can see everything is quite new. And here we have the garbage room. That is something that in Argentina we don't have these fancy things. And here is where we can leave our garbage. Recyclable waste or general waste. I love this because it's like a slide of garbage. As you can see, everything is very, very new. Let's go to the 2nd floor where we have the pool and amenities. So here we have the pool, infinity pool. The lifeguard. This is the barbecue area where you can make an asado. So it's not the typical Argentinian barbecue, but it's something. The bad thing about Dubai Creek Harbour is it's very new and you are gonna hear a lot of constructions every day, all night. The kids area. And we have these 3 amazing zones to relax by watching the view. So these are the commodities. Events room. I love this room. Here you can rent it and have a meeting, a dinner, a birthday. It smells new. The gym. This is my favorite room. It's a yoga and dance room. It's amazing. So with the price of the apartment, you can use all the commodities for free. This is the lobby of the building. The apartments here are chiller free. Means that you can use your AC for free. Trust me, here in Dubai you're gonna need it. So I hope you enjoyed the tour and I see you on the next video. Bye!